Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a Phoenix inspired Halloween tutorial. First off, I'm going to start with the foundation, and this is the Maybelline Superstay foundation. I show two colors, but I end up just going in with the darker shade, and I'm just going to blend that all over my face. Next, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Cream Paint Palette, and I'm taking this orange, and this was kind of a fail. I just wanted to show you guys in case you saw it. I am trying to color block my eyebrows, but I didn't have a glue stick, so it didn't really work out. Then I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Concealer, and I'm going to be putting this underneath my eyes, my forehead, chin, and nose. And I'm just using my Beauty Blender to blend that out. Then with the Too Faced Ethereal Powder, I'm just going to set anywhere I put that concealer and also make sure that my foundation is completely set. And I'm taking the BH Cosmetics, I think it's 150 color palette, but I'm taking that yellow and I'm going to start contouring my face. So I'm going to put it on my forehead and cheekbones, and then I'm going to drag it underneath my chin. Then I'm making some really weird faces, but I'm going to start contouring my décolleté and making sure I hollow that out really well. Next, I'm going to go in with an orange from the Laura Lee palette, and I'm going to start defining my cheekbones. So really just doing the same thing I did with the yellow, but focusing it more hollow. With that orange shade, I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose as well. Then I'm going to go ahead and drag it underneath of my eye bag and connect it to the orange on the contour. Next, I'm using the same shade to really define the hollows of my forehead. And then with a fluffy brush, I am pressing it super flat against my face and creating these lines above my eyebrows just to give a little more expression to the look. Next, with the CC Beauty Cream palette, I'm going to start filling in my eyebrows. In this part, I was not a huge fan of my eyebrows. when I was finished with them, so later on I throw some glitter on them to make them look nicer, but for right now, just fill in your eyebrows with a red paint. Here is where I really started to dislike the eyebrows, so I'm taking a red eyeshadow from that BH palette and filling in the rest of the eyebrow. With that same yellow we used in the beginning, I'm going to start buffing that on the lower lash line on the inner half. I'm also dragging that into the inner corner and onto the nose contour. Then with a more dense and fluffy brush, I'm going to take a red eyeshadow and start hollowing out the cheekbones even more. Here I'm going in with the cream paint again in red, and I'm going to make these little swirled lines underneath my eyes. And then I'm going back in with that red shade and I'm going to buff out those lines to give it a more smoky look. Then I'm dragging that red shadow from the inner corner down and I'll buff that out as well. Here I'm taking a red craft glitter just to fill the brows in because I wasn't liking them. I'm using a glitter eyeliner to use as my adhesive. And then I'm going in with that Revlon glitter eyeliner and I'm making these little teardrop shapes above the eyebrows, and then I'm going to put loose glitter over top of them. Using that same eyeliner, I'm creating a triangle at the top of my forehead. Now I am going in with a black eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to start running that through the crease and blowing it out very heavily. Next, I'm taking a Stila liquid eyeshadow and I'm going to place that all over the lid and blend it out. And then I'm placing a red Jessie's Girl pigment on top. This is the point of the look where it kind of starts to come together, and now I'm just going in and deepening up my décolleté and making sure that it is as sculpted as I want it. And now I'm going in with that black from that cream paint palette, and I am just filling it in as my lipstick. And because glitter makes everything better, I am pressing some glitter on top of that black. Now I'm going to tightline my eyes with a orange eyeliner from Urban Decay, and I'm going to put mascara on. And then I'm taking the yellow cream paint from that CC Beauty palette, and I'm putting that on my lower lashes. Here I'm just adding more yellow to make it more defined. Then I'm going to pop on some falsies. Then pop on my wig, and that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time.